Some watches are loud, some are flashy, and then there's this quiet confidence in a beautiful set of ice blue. Today we are looking at a watch that punches way above its weight, breaks every budget Swiss stereotype, and still looks like it belongs in a CEO's drawer. This is the Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 Ice Blue, and trust me, you'll want to watch till the end before buying one. From an 80-hour power reserve to a Silicium balance spring, usually found in watches, 3 times the price. This thing has some surprises, but it's not perfect. And there's one thing about this watch that you absolutely must know before you buy it. And no, it's not the size. Stick with me. Let's start with the star of the show, the dial. Tissot calls it Ice Blue, but honestly, it's more than that. On natural light, it sits between sky blue, silver, and at times a subtle metallic grey. The sunburst pattern is not too sharp, not too soft, just balanced enough to look premium without being distracting. You get polished indices, faceted dolphin hands with lume and a clean dead window at 3. Overall, it screams refinement. The case is 40 mm, but because of the slim bezel and curved locks, it wears close to a 39. Even on smaller wrist, 6.25 or 6.5 inch, it sits beautifully without looking oversized. The finishing is where Tissot shows up: polished chamfers, brushed case, and that perfect thickness, 11.5 mm. It slides under any shirt cuff like it was designed for business meetings. Inside, we have the legendary Powermatic 80, one of the best value automatic movements in the entire sub $1,000 category. And the silicon spring that's usually found in watches costing triple. It makes the movement more stable, more accurate, and less vulnerable to magnetic fields. In real life, you will see maybe plus 4 to 7 seconds a day, which is genuinely excellent at this price. The bracelet is where opinions split. The finishing is beautiful, solid links, butterfly clasp, but no macro adjustment. So if you are between sizes, you might struggle to get that perfect fit. So here's what it's like wearing. Looks premium without searching for attention. Easy to match with casual, formal or office wear. Dial color always starts conversation. Light on the wrist despite being solid steel. Power reserve lasts the entire weekend. It's one of those watches that make you glance at your wrist more often than you need to, not to check time, but just to enjoy it. No watch is perfect, and neither this one. So here are the drawbacks. First, no macro adjustments. Second, butterfly clasp is beautiful but less practical. Third, bracelet scratches easily. And fourth, some find the indices too reflective in bright sunlight. But none of these are deal breakers, just things you need to aware of. So who is this watch for? Buy it if you want a luxury looking Swiss watch without spending a fortune. You appreciate a clean, minimal, timeless design. You want a strong movement with modern tech. And you want a versatile watch for office plus casual. And don't buy it if you prefer dive watches. The Tissot Gentleman Ice Blue is not just a watch, it's a statement of taste, of maturity, and of knowing exactly what you want on your wrist. If you are stepping into the world of Swiss automatics, this is hands down one of the best entry points. If you want this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.